G'day guys, we're doing the next job on this LS400. We're just going to put the distributor brackets or the cam sensor brackets onto the engine, put the distributor caps on, and put the rotors on. Cam belt's been done. The dogs are playing. Slight distraction. Let's put this together really quickly, make it nice and simple. Right hand. This is my left hand. This is the right hand side of the engine, denoted by the right. The cam sensor's got the little piece on it there. Left hand goes on the left, even though this is my right hand. The bolts, these are shorter than those ones. Okay, so the left side's got a short side. Little bit of Loctite on the bolts. Set it into place. Right hand. Now this one I have still got the cam timing lined up, and that is important for what I'm trying to show you. The camshaft pulley nuts are nice and tight. Now we have our new rotors. Genuine, the real deal. And to note, we have a mark here, we have a mark here, we have an alignment dash there, tag, we have a slot in the camshaft pulley. Now I have seen this done. Put it in, put bolts in, do it up tight. It is wrong. Lined up, sits in properly. Look at that, it lines up. Lined up. Isn't that simple? Now these are only little bolts. You'll notice I've only got my little spanner. And you'll notice I'm not out here swinging on it, I'm right in close because they just need a nip. Done. Distributor caps, left and right, are the same. They've got the cylinder order on the front of the cap. So if it's on this side, it will do 2, 8 at the back, 3 at that side, which is in the middle, and 5 at the middle at the back. When it's on this side, this is the left hand side, it will do 1 at the front, 7 at the back, 6, which is at the back on that side. Oh, this is the middle back on that, so it's the third one, and 4, which is the second one on the right hand side. Easy peasy. The one on this side, the left hand side, comes out through a round rubber grommet. This one pops out through this little square one. Right, on to the next job.